Subscribe to Boost Up Station if you haven't, and today we are going to roll back our Anaconda updates, and it works for all distributions: Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So in the Anaconda navigator, go to the environments here, click on this play button and click on open terminal. Now you have the terminal running up. Here we have the terminal. So let us first of all list the revisions. The number of updates we have done will be listed using this command. Just right click in the CMD and the command will be automatically pasted. Now press enter. Just wait for it to finish. And you can see, if you scroll up, you see the latest update I have done was 20th April, that was yesterday, and it was named as revision 3. And if we scroll up, you can see the last second update was on 5th of April, that is named as revision 2. And the last third update was on 18th of January, revision 1. Okay. So what I want to do is, I want to go with the revision 2, right? You have to choose your revision which does not have any kind of problems in running any of the packages in the Anaconda navigator. Like you have Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook, if we take an example. So these must be working fine according to me, because I use these only. And according to you, you may go with other packages here. Alright. So I am just going to revert back to revision 2. So this is the command, and you have to change the revision number here if you want to go to any other revision. Alright. So just right click, copy, and in the CMD just right click and the command will be automatically pasted. Right. Now press enter, and you must be connected to the internet. Just wait for it. It is getting a list of packages. You can see in the bottom the network is being used, so it is downloading the previous updates. So you have to wait for it. It won't be showing you any progress here. All the task is done in the background. So don't think that it is not working. It is working perfectly fine. And if you go to the Anaconda directory where Anaconda 3 is installed, and let us click on date modified, and if you scroll down, you can see that these 4 folders have been modified right now. You can see match the time here and here. So the packages are being reverted back to the previous update that we did. And please close Anaconda navigator also. Just close it so that the CMD can perform the task efficiently. Just press enter here, and you can see that it is preparing for the transaction. And these are the changes to be made. When you press enter here, right here, it will ask you if you want to proceed or not by pressing Y or N, and by looking at the changes you may want to proceed. Okay, so just type Y and press enter. Now it is executing the transaction. Whenever it gets stuck, just try to press enter here. It just does not update, I don't know why, but by pressing enter it will update. And you see that we have successfully reverted back to revision 2. Now let us have a list of the packages. Copy, right click, paste, and press enter to see whether we have successfully got these packages or not. Like we are going to check for SIMPy 171. Taking too long, just press enter. So we were going to check for SIMPy, and you can see we have 171. So it has been reverted back to the revision 2, right? And if you don't want to roll back all of the packages to the previous update, and if you want to roll back only one package, let's say, so I want to roll back pandas. So let us look at the version of the pandas. Here it is 123, and I want to go back to 113. So I'm going to execute this command. Right click, copy, go to the CMD right here and right click so that it gets pasted, and press enter. And now it is asking us if we want to revert back to that version. So I'm going to type Y and press enter. Preparing, verifying and executing. It got stuck. Press enter and it is done. So let us again execute that command conda list to check whether we have the panda version 113 or not. Got stuck. Press enter. Now I am going to look for pandas, and you see it is right here 113. So we have successfully reverted back a single package and roll back to any of the previous Anaconda updates. Perfect. And as I told you before, it works for all of the operating systems. So please subscribe to Bootstrap Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.